Let's take a look at this question. We've been given the diagram on the left with the following information. In the diagram, RT is the height of a tower with T the foot. A and B represent 2 points equidistant from T and lie on the same horizontal plane as T. We've been given the following question. 4.1. Determine the size ARB in terms of beta. Now what's important is to remember that A and B represent 2 points equidistant from T. Let's represent that on our diagram. Now, since they are equidistant, it means that triangle RAB is going to be an isosceles triangle, like so. Now we can use the property of the sum of angles in a triangle to solve for the unknown angle. So angle ARB is going to equal 180 minus 2 beta. The next question, question 4.2. Prove that AB is equal to 2h cos beta divided by sine alpha. Now to solve this question, we should start with triangle RTB. We've been given the angle of depression, and using alternate angles, we can then say that angle RBT in that triangle is also going to be alpha. Now, we want to work out RB because RB is a side that is common to triangle RTB and to the big triangle we just worked with. So given that angle alpha and we know RT is h, we can use sine to work out what RB is going to be. So we can say that sine alpha is equal to h divided by RB, and so RB is going to equal h divided by sine alpha. Now let's look at this in terms of the big triangle. So the big triangle RAB, we know that A and B are beta and beta. We just worked out that R is 180 minus 2 beta and RB is h divided by sine alpha. Now we want AB, so we can use the sine rule to work out AB. So we can say that AB divided by the sine of the angle across it, which is 180 minus 2 beta, is equal to h divided by sine alpha divided by sine of the angle across it, which is sine beta. We can then simplify. We get AB over 180 minus 2 beta, or sine of 180 minus 2 beta, reduces to sine 2 beta. And on the right hand side, we get h divided by sine alpha times sine beta. We can then expand sine 2 beta, giving us AB over 2 sine beta cos beta equals h over sine alpha sine beta. Now we can take everything across and simplify, and that will give us AB equals 2h cos beta over sine alpha. Let's move on to the last question. And the last question reads, calculate the height of the tower rounded off to the nearest unit if AB equals 5.4 units, alpha equals 51 degrees and beta equals 65 degrees. Now we just worked out an expression in terms of AB, h, alpha and beta. So we should use this. So AB equals 2h cos beta divided by sine alpha. Now we can substitute the values in, leaving the only unknown being h. So 5.4 equals 2h cos of 65 degrees divided by sine of 51 degrees. Now we can simplify and solve for h, leaving h as 5 units. And that's it. If you found this useful, please leave a like, share, subscribe. If there's something specific you'd like me to do, please let me know in the comment section below. Until the next video, bye bye.